Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging out with me and my furry sidekick a bit today. Kicking off outfit of the day, what I wore video, where we chronicle a week of outfits. You get PA weather in there and you get a bit of life. So Wyatt is still styling his Easter bandana from his fresh groom, and he still smells so good. Zena's sleeping in this Sunday morning, so Wyatt and I will kick it off without her. It is a sunshiny morning, 27 degrees, but it's supposed to get up to 49. So we shall see. Hopefully it's a little bit of a warmer week this week. It has been cold again. We had a little bit of warm weather a few weeks ago, and then it just dropped right back down. So cold. So for outfit of the day today, I have on a loft outfit. I have loft denim. I have a loft sweater. You may remember from a loft haul. Loving these two pieces, nice and easy. Paired it with my booties you guys have seen so many times before, but I absolutely love them. Dolce Vita that I got in a Stitch Fix on sale, actually. And then for jewelry, I only put on gold hoops today. And that's it. That is my outfit. Yep, so Wyatt and I have got some filming to do. We also have to just get ready for the week. Hopefully not a travel week for me this week, so I should be home. Hope your week starts off amazing, and we'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Monday already and time for outfit of the day. Monday came so fast, I'm telling you, the weekend flew by. Both Wyatt and Zena are joining me today, and it is a sunshiny day. It's not really warm, but it's 52. It's supposed to get up to 60, but the sun is amazing. And let's see, my Talisa box posted today. I hope you check that one out because it is such a fun jewelry subscription with a twist because you can get personalized jewelry. I love it. So whether you want it to be your furry family members or your human family members, you can put whatever names you want on your jewelry. So I'm wearing the necklace I shared today in that box. I love it. So that I have names on this little circle. I also have the earrings on from Talisa. So I hope you check those out because I think they're like amazing ideas for gifts. You could shop their site or you could get their subscription box and go all in. So many options there, but definitely worth checking out their site. If you have any type of event coming up that you think that would make a great gift, a graduation, a birthday, an anniversary, such awesome gifts, right? I love it. And they have so many options of what you can personalize. It's worth checking out. All right, so little Miss Z wants treats because why else would she be in here if it wasn't to get a treat? I mean, that has to be the only reason, right? And for outfit of the day today, I'm short and sweet. I did a one and done outfit. I have on my loft denim jumpsuit, put on my Dolce Vita side you're so familiar with from Stitch Fix. And then, as I mentioned, for jewelry, I have on the Talisa necklace and earrings. And then I have on a LuvAJ ring. And that's my outfit. All right, well, it's going to be another busy week, but it's spring. So that's hopefully means that everything's going to start to warm up. We had some really cold days these last couple weeks. So I'm hoping that spring starts to show us what she's got. And I'll see you tomorrow with another outfit. Hey everybody, it is Tuesday and time for outfit of the day. Little Miss Z, I just had to clean her nose, so she's not very happy. She thinks she deserves a treat, so she does, right? It is a rainy day, but 63 degrees out, but very rainy, cloudy, kind of, yucky, but warmer. So I love that, it's warmer, right? Getting ready for, I guess, April showers maybe. And it's been a busy day, so it's later in the afternoon. I'm just getting towards evening when I'm getting a chance to do this. So I'm already looking like the day is getting the better of me. So sorry about that. But for outfit of the day today, I have on a Cabi outfit. So I have on Cabi denim and my Cabi sweater and my Cabi belt, all from this spring season's collection. So the 2024 spring collection. So I'm loving this. And then for shoes, I put on my Kork-Ease. Kork-Ease are the best. And I love these because they're just slip-on style that I got from Nordstrom. For jewelry, I have on my hoops. I have on a necklace my husband got me. And the same with my bracelets. And that's all today. All right, well, we're going to get back to work. Hope you're doing amazing. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Tuesday, time for outfit of the day. The sun is shining. It is like so nice outside. 58 degrees right now. It's supposed to get up to 63. So it's starting to smell like spring, which I love. Let's see. So my wantable airplane mode edit posted today. I was excited about that one, but it didn't quite land the way I was hoping. So I ended up going with my favorite piece, and that was the Spiritual Gangster pant. This pant. You guys really. So I really liked it. It fit well. Didn't go with any of the other pieces because I just didn't fall in love with them the way I'd hoped. So went with my favorite piece. Still a good box. Fun little limited time box to try. So yeah. And then for outfit of the day today, I have on jeans from the Evereve store, and they're by Evereve. I have on a chaser top from a Trendsend, one of my very first. So I think it was like the first year I started doing it. So it's probably 3 or 4 years old now. For shoes, I have on my Lucky brand with the peep toe. And let's see. Oh, and then for a topper, my Michael Stars vegan leather jacket that just came in my latest Armoire. I have on Ana Luisa earrings and a ring from Pandora. And that is everything. All right, only Wyatt joining me today. Zizi was sleeping, and we're going to get back to work. So I hope you're doing amazing. Hey everybody, it is Thursday. We're so close to the weekend. It is another sunny day, 38 degrees out. It's supposed to only get up to 50 today, so 60 was really nice yesterday, but only 50 today. We'll take the sunshine though. Just Wyatt joining me. Zena is sound asleep. All right, so for outfit of the day today, I might be going to a Penguin game tonight. At least that was the plan. My son's still working on the ticket, so I put on a Pittsburgh Penguins shirt on in honor of that. We'll see if I actually get to go, but otherwise I got to wear my Pittsburgh Penguins shirt I've had for quite some time. Paired it with 7 for All Mankind denim from a Trendsend. Put on the same shoes as yesterday because they go so well from Lucky brand. And then I grabbed my Marrakech bomber from one of my very first Trendsends. Love this jacket. Love it, love it. And for jewelry, just gold hoops, a LuvAJ necklace, a ring my husband got me, and a bracelet my husband got me. And that is everything. All right, I hope you're doing amazing, as always, and I'll see you tomorrow for Happy Dance. Hey everybody, we made it to Friday. We did it. We did it, huh? And today is Good Friday. I have to work though. Wyatt doesn't. The sun is shining. And let's see. It is 43 degrees out. It's supposed to get up to 51. And yeah, I think it's going to warm up a little bit over the weekend, but it's supposed to rain. So. But spring is trying to come. You know, I like when you go outside and it smells like spring. It smells amazing. And it's getting to that, which I love. Why? It's such a silly, aren't you, buddy? Zena's sound asleep downstairs. I didn't have the heart to wake her up for outfit of the day. So she's still asleep. And let's see. So for today's outfit, I went casual, but springy. So I have on an Evereve basically sweatshirt top. This one's cute. It does have thumb holes in it, which I haven't been using so much this morning because I was washing my hands and stuff. But I do like that it has the thumb holes, so that's super cute. And I have on Paige denim in this fun green color from a Armoire. And my shoes, love these, by Seychelles. Aren't these amazing? Love them. And for jewelry, I just put on gold hoops. Yeah, and bracelets my husband got me. And that is my outfit today. I went easy. So happy the weekend is here. All right. I'll be back tomorrow with one last outfit. Hey everybody, it is Saturday and time for final outfit of the day. Only Wyatt joining me. He wants some lovin', so we're giving him some pets. Zena is sleeping. Harvey is meowing. It's a typical day. It is only 35 degrees outside. It is going to be up to 57. The sun is shining, so I think it's going to be cool this morning, but hopefully warm up to be quite nice. Yesterday, it did not feel warm. It was in the 50s and it felt cold, like the wind was cold. Let's see, we did end up going to the Penguin game Thursday night, so that was fun. So glad I was prepared with my shirt, but we had a nice time and they won. So it was a good hockey game. And for today's outfit, and for today's video, it's my Armoire, so check that out. So many fun pieces in there. I've worn a few already that you've seen, but you have to see the rest of them. They were good pieces. My stylist did a great job, so check that out. And for today's outfit, I have on AG denim from a Front Door Fashion, a Let Love graphic tee from a Trendsend, a Drew blazer, how awesome is this, from a Front Door Fashion. Then I paired it with these amazing Kork-Ease that I've had for quite some time. I love them. They came in a trunk club once upon a time. So they're from Nordstrom. And for jewelry, gold hoops, a LuvAJ necklace, and then bracelets you guys have seen before from my husband. And that's my outfit today. All right, so I will list all of my outfits down below. If I can link directly to an item, I will. Many come for boxes, so I'll let you know which boxes and put all that information down below as well. I can't wait for you to share which one is your favorite this week. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. This was so much fun. Please hit that like, hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, everybody.